This 2025 Northwood Arctic Fox Wolf Creek 850 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Surprise, Arizona, 85378 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Surprise. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Northwood is 16 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 33 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features bunkhouse, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.